everyone, it's Allie. Good morning. I'm so excited because today me and a couple of friends, we haven't seen each other in a while, but they're some of my closest friends ever, and we're going to a nature reserve. Hopefully that's kind of far away, so it will be kind of like a mini road trip, so that should be good. And then the rest of the day we're just going to, I don't know, have some fun. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and I hope you all enjoy this vlog, so see you later.
We were coming back into the van, and they started, like, everyone got in, and then they started driving. I'm like, what the fuck? No! I started running.
Oh my god!
Then they started like, oh shit.
Does it make you sad that we're here? Which way do you think so? You know, you gotta get that taxi from Mexico.
Now we're trying to find parking.
Yes. Oh, did
I want to see the map. Let me show you the map. So we got maps. Yay. Hopefully we see the buffalo. Right?
Yeah, it's just at the buffalo over there.
You're not eating the buffalo.
I bet you he got his cutlery in a backpack.
Oh my god.
Those that jump up and fly away? What
Yes.
are they? The white
What, dragonflies or something?
They're like
They look like it.
They look like a giant white grasshoppers.
David, look, David. You can't keep doing this all day. Hold my banana.
You can eat your banana.
Just hold her damn banana.
Where I don't like your ugly ass.
I have a beautiful
Whoa.
for your information.
Oh, see, there it went.
See, this is the life. This is struggle. You gotta put your banana under your chin.
Deer house, y'all.
That's all I'm concerned about.
And there's wild plum.
I was like, ooh, there's acorns.
Go story time. No, she can yell it, so it can get on the vlog.
But what if
A butterfly! Did it get that? Oh my gosh, I hope it got that. Okay, anyway.
ghosts?
Yeah, what if other ones
That's what I'm saying. That's scary. What was that?
No, it's not.
Oh, okay. Just say it. Okay, say it. That's how you know you're crazy, when you just say, what's that?
John, come on, say it.
So like, he has like woods in his backyard, and he takes his dog walking 3 in the morning around the woods, right? So one time he's doing his usual lap. I'm screaming. Okay. And like, he comes upon, there's like a folklore that's in Massachusetts about trolls.
Yeah.
And he like runs into this thing in the woods, and it's like 3 feet tall. It's hairy, it looks menacing, and it's like speaking in a native language, like Native American language. And he's kind of confused. He's like, what is this kid doing in the middle of the woods 3 in the morning? And it's not even Halloween. And it's this thing, it looked like a troll, so they kept telling him to come here, and all that. And the folklore goes that the trolls, they'll trick you and lure you into coming towards them. And once they do, they actually lead you off a cliff and they kill you. Yeah. So I mean, like, the guy got scared and he like walked a different direction and all that. Cacti. The end.
Wow.
That wasn't really scary, but
That sounds creepy.
well, I mean, it was like, who's telling stories? Because you know, Cece told me. Dad, don't get your ass lost. Quit lagging behind us.
I know.
You're scaring me. I've really been screaming. Should we whisper?
No?
Hey, would you guys ever go to the suicide forest in Japan?
Dad, what kind of question is that?
I think I might.
No, yeah, as like, you know, as like.
Wait, what happened?
Prairie Dog Town. They're supposed to be in here somewhere. We found some
Very
berries.
warm person.
It's a dead end.
Whoa! A cliff.
It's a cliff.
It's a cliff.
Y'all, where's the mic
That's so cool.
I really don't think we should go down there though.
Why not? I think someone died.
I feel like it's off the
That was
trail and then we're gonna get lost.
Someone died for real.
It's not.
Okay, hopefully it doesn't.
I think it's
How
great.
about we cross it
1 out of 10? Oh, really?
I guess.
Do you want to go first, Cece? I mean, Alex?
I'll go.
David,
Okay, it's not bad.
first because you know you're a bit heavier.
Oh my gosh. That's amazing.
Flash, it's a spider. It can jump.
Oh shit!
It can jump.
It can jump
Big
for
is it?
real.
Make sure your flash is not on. It can jump.
Darn, how did you see that?
Because spiders and snakes live in places like this. And they do not stay on you. Ellie and Cece, what if I just push David? Like, that would be like a no-no, right?
Stop, honey, boo, child. We just got done at the nature reserve park forest thing, and now we're at Ridgemar.
Yeah, you guys, we're done at the nature reserve and now we're probably going to the mall and gonna get food. So yeah, probably talk to you guys later.
Bye.
You probably can't see me right now, but we just dropped off our last friend. So yeah, it was such a good day today. It was really fun.
Yes, it
We
was fun.
survived
I loved
that
it.
hike. I know, that hike was kind of intense though, but
Yeah, it wasn't.
it was great. And then we went to the mall like I said earlier and got food, and then we had some really deep conversations, and I swear with these two